Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you the easiest way how you could take a screen capture in Windows 10. To do that, just go to your search tab and type snipping tool and click on it to open. This tool allows you to take a picture, or let's call it a capture, of your screen, monitor, or computer. So click on new, locate the section which you want to take. And here, for example, it has taken part of it. I can take also the entire screen. And here I will have my entire screen. So to save it, just click on the little disk here, or just Control S, and you will be able to save it. Click New to create a new one. And remember that here you have the delay option where you can change after how many seconds you will be able to take the capture. This in case you want to show a menu or something. So let's do 3 seconds. And here it comes very handy if you are trying to take a picture of settings or for something. And here you have rectangle mode, window, full screen, or freeform. This was about it. And here you have also some tools to highlight in yellow, in red. And if you want to remove what you've done, you just click on this erase button and you start clicking on the sections where you have adjusted. And here you have additional tools for ruler, etc. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.